All right, guys, so kind of think about it this way. If you owned a boutique in your downtown area, wouldn't you go in every day and you'd turn on the lights, you'd freshen up the mannequins, you'd make sure that your open sign was on, and you'd encourage people to come in. You'd probably post on your social media, your sales, your promos, what shiny new things that you brought into your boutique. You have to think about your business the same exact way. Your Le-Vel business needs to be open every day. The lights need to be turned on every day. People need to know that you're thriving every day. I heard one of the gals on the social media stage say yesterday, it's so smart. Like, people may only go onto social media once or twice a week, and if you're only showing up once or twice on the days they're not going to know that you're thriving. So are you posting your capsules every single morning in your stories? Because you should be. My quote for the day is, the magic potion for success is consistent persistence. You guys have to be consistent. It has to be every day in your blood, and you have to be persistent. You have to work through the challenges and the hardships that you have. That is absolutely key. Guys, you can't work this business when you feel like it. You can't work this business when you feel motivated. You have to work this business when you don't feel like it, when you aren't motivated. That's when you need to work the business. So I'm going to leave you with this. And I'm actually thinking of specific people. Are you sitting in these seats, the same seats that you sat in last year, in the same place? Do you want to sit in these same seats next year in the same place you're at? Because if you don't, if you want to make a change, it's your mindset, it's what is the story you're telling yourself? What is the narrative that is running in your head? Does that need to change? Do you need to get some gratitude in your life? Do you need to get some excitement? Reach out to your 200K who is working this business consistently, who is showing up and showing their PPA consistently. How are they doing it? What is inspiring them? Are you spending time being grateful, journaling every day, being grateful for the things that this business has brought you? That is going to change you. That is going to change your life. So get that crystal ball out right now and look at it and say, where am I going to be in these seats next year? Where am I going to be next year? It's not going to be the same. It is going to be up.